Hey everyone, if you want to sync your projects with GitHub, manage version control, and make collaboration easier, connecting GitHub to Bolt AI is a great option. In this video, I'll show you how to connect GitHub to Bolt AI step by step in 2026. First, sign in to your Bolt AI account and open the project you want to connect to GitHub. Make sure the project is saved and up to date before starting the integration process. Next, go to your project settings or integration section. Depending on the current version of Bolt AI, you may find a GitHub option under Project Settings, Deployment Settings, or Connected Services. Click the Connect GitHub button. Bolt AI will redirect you to GitHub and ask for authorization to access your account. Sign in to your GitHub account if you're not already logged in. Then review the permissions being requested and approve the connection. Once authorization is complete, return to Bolt AI. You should now see your GitHub account linked to the platform. And that's how to connect GitHub to Bolt AI in 2026. By linking the two platforms, you can manage code more effectively, track changes, and streamline your development workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.